Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove whitener from school pants. The key is to act fast. As soon as you notice the stain, gently scrape off any excess dried whitener using a dull knife or the edge of a credit card. Be careful not to rub the stain, as this can push the whitener deeper into the fabric fibers, making it much harder to remove. Quick action significantly increases your chances of a successful removal. Before washing, pre-treat the stain with a suitable solvent. You can use rubbing alcohol or a non-acetone nail polish remover. Apply a small amount to a clean, white cloth, then gently dab the stain, working from the outer edges towards the center. This prevents the stain from spreading. Remember to always test the solution on a hidden part of the fabric first to ensure it doesn't cause discoloration or damage. After pre-treating, rinse the affected area under cold running water to flush out the whitener and solvent. Then, wash the school pants separately in cold water using your regular laundry detergent. Cold water is crucial, as hot water can set the stain permanently. It's very important not to put the pants in a dryer if any trace of the stain remains, as the heat will make it impossible to remove. For stubborn stains, you might need to repeat the pre-treatment and washing process a second or even a third time. If the stain still lingers, a commercial stain remover specifically formulated for ink or paint might be effective. To prevent future mishaps, always ensure whitener bottles are tightly closed and stored upright, away from clothing. A little caution goes a long way in keeping school pants pristine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.